Hello student, dear student, now you will see here the natural gas. Just now I told you fossil fuels which are mainly coal, petroleum and natural gas. In which you will study natural gas. I told you about coal and petroleum gas. Now you will study what is the natural gas. Natural gas and CNG, compressed natural gas. Okay? Dear friend, natural gas is as a fossil fuel, first of all, and which got buried inside the earth. You know that. Got buried inside the earth. Dear friend, natural gas is used as a domestic fuel also. Domestic and industrial fuel. It is not only domestic fuel, it is industrial fuel also. Because CNG we can use in vehicles in auto, okay, and in car also, in for the transport field. Yes, natural gas is mainly natural gas in which natural gas consists mainly methane. Methane is 95%. Okay, in natural gas. Natural gas contain mainly methane gas 95%, and some small amounts here also. Small amounts is here ethane, propane. Ethane and propane, natural gas. Natural gas is another important for the fuel. Natural gas burn easily and produce a lot of heat. Natural gas, fuel gas. Natural gas is important. Natural gas is an important fuel. Important fuel. Important fossil fuel, you can say that, and it's burned easily and produce lot of heat. Burned easily, is burned easily and produce lot of heat. Is burned easily and produce lot of heat. Okay. Natural gas is an important fossil fuels and which burn easily and produce lot of amount of heat. Yes, friend, natural gas contain mainly methane. Natural gas contain mainly methane, which has 95%. 95% methane and some small amount like here propane, ethane also. Okay, natural gas is important fossil fuels and produce lot of amount of heat when it burns. It contain mainly methane 95%. Main component of natural gas is methane, which have 95%, and some other small amounts of component, and which are here propane and ethane also. Propane and ethane also. This natural gas is as a domestic and industrial fuel also. Okay, it is industrial fuel also. Industrial fuel. Okay. There is an industrial. This industrial fuel and domestic. Fuels. There is an natural gas is a domestic and industrial fuel also. What is the natural gas? Natural gas is very important fossil fuel and which contain mainly methane 95% and some small amount of component which contain also like propane, ethane, and it produce lot of amount of heat when it burns. And here it is a domestic and industrial fuel also. We can say that industrial fuel also. Dear student, natural gas is very important fuel and here which is used in thermal power plants for generating electricity. Natural gas which are used in thermal power plant for generating electricity. Natural gas is used as a fuel natural gas is used as a fuel in thermal power plant station. Thermal power plant. Thermal power plants. Why? For generating electricity. For generating electricity. Okay? Here's a natural gas which are used as a fuel in thermal power plant for generating electricity. Okay? Compressed natural gas is being used increasingly as a fuel in transport vehicle. CNG, which is called natural gas, compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas. In modern age, CNG, which is a compressed natural gas, which are being used increasing as a fuel in transport vehicles like car, buses and truck also. It is a good alternative to petrol and diesel because it does not cause of any air pollution. It does not cause of air pollution. Air pollution. Okay? Pollution. It does not cause of air pollution. It does not cause of air pollution. CNG, compressed natural gas. Okay, compressed natural gas is free from pollution. Does not cause of air pollution. So it is used in car, vehicles, motor cars. Okay, for the transport field. Natural gas is complete fuel in itself, can be used directly for heating purpose in our homes. It is used directly for heating purpose, for lighting purpose, for transport field. So the natural fuel is very important. Dear friend, first of all I told you fossil fuel. Okay, in which the main fuel in fossil fuel, coal, petroleum and natural gas. Here third is natural gas. Natural gas is very important for the fuel and which produce directly amount of heat when it burn it. Okay. Dear friend, natural gas contain mainly methane, 95% methane, and some small amount also here component propane and ethane also. Natural gas which are used for as a fuel directly, it does not cause of air pollution. Here the CNG, compressed natural gas. CNG is called compressed natural gas, which are used for transport field in vehicles, in car, motorbikes, because it is not cause of air pollution. Yes, friend, here the natural gas is used for domestic and industrial field also. Okay, domestic and industrial field also. And the important point is here, natural gas is used as a fuel in thermal power plants for generating electricity. So it is very important for generating electricity. Now dear student, we will study about power plants also. There are so many power plants in this chapter: thermal power plants, hydro energy power plants and biogas power plant, nuclear power plant, in which you will study how the electricity generated and the energy is transferred in which form to in which form, and what are the advantage and disadvantage, okay, by this power plant. Just like in thermal power plant, hydro energy power plant and biogas power plant, nuclear power plant, after then you will write their advantage and disadvantage. Okay, this is very important chapter. Basically this chapter is in which you will study about the environment science and also bio. Okay, dear friend, now here you will write what are the advantage and what are the main components of this fuel and in your notebook. Then after I will discuss about thermal power plant.